All right, you guys, so here is my little glammy centerpiece that I created a little Halloweeny. Put a spider, some little webs that came out of the Dollar Tree, and those little black pumpkins also came out the Dollar Tree. I just picked this up at Bath and Body Works. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is so gorgeous. And these actually are in the like holiday section. They were buy one get two free at Joann. And then I already had these black tulips there from West Am, and these are from Joann's as well. And I feel like that's as Halloweeny it's going to get here. And I think it's cute, nice and glam and very simple and to the point. Yeah. Oh, I just got this vase out of Burlington as well. Yeah, and then I already had hauled this at the beginning of the season. Did this come out of like Home Goods or something? Oh no, this is the one I got out of Bed Bath & Beyond. And it was 20 bucks. And these came off of that little stem, so I just stuck them over here. And I like it. It's really cute. So there we go for that. Okay, I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a few things. Here's the final result for the table. I took the rhinestone coasters and scattered them throughout the centerpiece. I made these placemats like a table runner because I didn't have anything else that was black. That will probably get spray painted if I get some black spray paint in time. If not, it's just gonna stay like that. Dollar Tree, all those little balls and stuff are from the Dollar Tree. I put saran wrap down so it wouldn't be glitter stuck to my tray. This little cutie just came from Home Goods. I do have a larger one, but I like this little sides right here. And then the little white pumpkins again came from the Dollar Tree. So here we go. This is the end result. Let me show you everything. All right, you guys, so here is my completed kitchen. This is the island here. Again, that little spider is from the Dollar Tree, and then, you know, all of this stuff is here. I think that turned out so cute. I think I needed one more of those little feather things to put back here, but we're not gonna worry about it. It's not gonna be up that long. And so here it goes on this side. Oh, I just added that in. It came from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was a cute little touch to that little candle holder. So nice. And that's how it looks on this side. And here is the table. Let me step back so you can see everything. It looks so good. And then over there. All right, here goes my coffee table. Only thing I did was put the other thing of tulips that I have in here in this little jar. I added these candlesticks on the table and a candle and an orange pumpkin. So this is my coffee table. This is what it looks like in here. I just have my plant that I just got, my new fiddle leaf. It's just sitting over there. Haven't done nothing, haven't repotted it yet. But this is everything in here. All right, so this is how it looks when the lights are off. It's so warm and it's so cozy. I love it. So, so nice. And again, I do have my curtain lights. I get questions all the time about them. These came off of Amazon. A company sent them to me, but they came off Amazon. Just type in curtain lights and you shall find them. So that's what's up here on my window. And then we added in those bats up there. Some of them falling off, so I'm gonna have to go put some tape on them here. A few have fallen off the wall or fell off the wall, so I'm going to have to go add some more tape. But those came off of Amazon and we put those up yesterday. So this is how everything is looking in the living room. And then through the window outside you can see those lights. So I have lights now on this side of the house, which is outside, and then I have the lights over here out there. And then let's go outside so we can see what outside looks like. Again, this is the wreath that I just added and made it a little more festive by putting those little orange picks and all that stuff in there. So yeah, this is actually like a Christmassy like type of wreath, and I made it into Halloween. There you go, the lights and the bats and the coffee table. And then you can see in the kitchen where we just came from. That looks so good in there. Okay, so on this wreath, this is what I got from the Dollar Tree, right? But I'm gonna flip it and try to put Boo on this wreath. somehow. So it'll look something like that, going across like that. All right, so that's that. But and then I have hello, but the reason why I'm out here, let's go on this side here on the light. Hey, I'm back. How you guys doing? All right, so really quickly, I'm about to decorate my little front porch. Look, I added this. So cute. I found this last year and I went on and hung it up here, and I just love it. It is so cute. So that may have came maybe like out of Kirkland's or something. Show you the things that I have. This is all from the Dollar Tree. Here's my lights that I'm going to go ahead and hang back across here. Don't worry about that. They came and sprayed the weeds, so that's what that green is. But I'm gonna go and hang the lights best I can across the wall, and then we're gonna scatter these little bats and just decorate out here. Put this across this little seating area right here. I may change this out, I'm not sure. That's just sitting over there in the corner. You really can't see it from the curb. Yeah, so what I'm about to do is put you guys on a tripod and play with and untangle these lights and get them hung. Yay, they work.
I'm laying down at the compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how they look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk.
This is a total fail. You see, these lights down here are not working. What happened?
It was working?
Yes, I put it, it was on the ground. Look at that. It was all on the ground, and I plugged it up before I even untangled it. So if this would have happened, I wouldn't have wasted my time. And then as soon as I...
How long lit up?
The whole bunch. I can play the video back to show you. And then as soon as I put it back in here, it's not working. I cannot imagine. Oh Lord. Imagine when people be putting all them lights up on their trees and stuff, and then this happens. Alright you guys, so I went and grabbed another box. Luckily I had 2 from last year. I cannot believe that. I tried them and that's what happened. Oh my goodness. These lights stand up until January. I think that's what I did last year anyways.
Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all.
Okay, so now we're finna hurry up and put these on. I have just 3 packs. They're little clip-on bats from the Dollar Tree. And we just flip them on the light. Flip them close to the actual light.
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway, waiting for you.
They turned out so cute. I have a few more bats I'm gonna add on there, but there we go. The wind is blowing all of my decor down out here. It's terrible. Here, that fell over. This was just on the ground. And little cloth supposed to be on the bench, but it keeps blowing off. Okay, I just tried to put it back on there, but that's how it's supposed to be, like the little cloth or whatever is supposed to be on there. And this just fell over, so it crushed my son pumpkin he had carved. Oh well, just make it more interesting. But that's that. That is everything. I can't put too much out here because this wind is outrageous out here in these mountains. That's supposed to be spooky. And okay, there you go. So what's left of it. And that's how the wreath will look. I don't know. I may just take the wreath down in a minute. And then this is the final little tour. So I got that little wreath up there. This stuff, I didn't do anything over here. I'm gonna eventually switch this out. The lights is always there, but you know, it makes it extra. This is the coffee table. And oh, I think I put this over here. Came from the Dollar Tree. And then I think that may have came from Dollar Tree last year. And then those are my new pillows that I just saw. They're so cute. All right, and into the kitchen we go. And so this is how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoy this little decorate and little tour of mine. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for rocking out with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Oh, that is so cute. Love it. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, look at how pretty that table sparkles. Oh, that is nice.